The race for Attorney General in Colorado is getting more attention than ever this year. More than $5 million has been spent on the race that puts District Attorney George Brauchler against former law school Dean Phil Weiser.
Yeah, the two squared off in a debate hosted by the Federalist Society, which has played a big role in choosing U.S. Supreme Court nominees. Our political specialist Sean Boyd moderated that debate. And Sean, AGs wield a lot of power these days.
You could argue more power than Congress, given all the gridlock. Nationwide, they are joining in partisan fashion to file lawsuits that are slowing, even stopping major policy decisions. Colorado's two candidates have different takes on what the role of the office should be.
More than 200 attorneys packed a room to hear from the two men vying to become the top attorney for the state of Colorado, a position that has evolved into one of the most powerful in the country.
There is a trend, and it's Republican and Democrat alike, to try to weaponize the Attorney General's office and to turn it into some sort of extra senator or treat AG like it stands for assistant governor.
Republican George Brauchler condemned the new activist AG, state attorney generals who are shaping federal policy by banding together in partisan coalitions and filing lawsuits to block or force action on everything from health care to the environment to immigration.
It's important to know where your attorney general stands, so you elect one who represents you. And that's what we need to do. And doing that isn't being a political hack. It's being the people's lawyer.
Democrat Phil Weiser said he'd join several lawsuits against the Trump administration.
Does it hurt the people of Colorado? And is it illegal? If it hurts people and it's illegal, I'll protect people and I'll take on the federal government.
An attorney general should be bound by the law and the Constitution and not what they think is harm.
Brauchler insisted activism undercuts the credibility of the office.
It sounds like George's view is that the federal government breaks the law. They get to do that.
Hear me. I don't care who's in the White House. I didn't run for this office because of who's in the White House. I ran for this office because of who's in Colorado.
State AGs are also joining forces to sue corporations, most recently the pharmaceutical industry over the opioid epidemic. Colorado in on this one. Weiser says he'd also join lawsuits over the separation of families at the border, Dreamers, Obamacare, and the EPA methane rule. Brauchler says, he wouldn't commit to any lawsuits at this point until he has looked at all the evidence. I cannot overestimate this. This is a really important race to watch. So if people haven't done their homework on it, they want to.
And amazing how much money is going into it, too.
Absolutely, right.
Thanks, Sean.
And we will have the candidates for governor in Colorado in a debate right here on CBS 4 tomorrow night. Sean moderates the live televised debate between Democrat Jared Polis and Republican Walker Stapleton with our team of election partners, CPT 12, KOA News Radio, the Colorado Sun, and 630 KHOW. It's live Friday on CBS 4 at 6 o'clock.